Hey kids! Do you love getting new things? Toys, gadgets, clothes? So exciting, right?
But what happens when we keep buying new things again and again?
Oh no, it's broken. I'll buy a new one. But wait, many things can be fixed instead. Repair instead.
When we buy too much, it becomes a big problem for our planet.
I feel tired. There's too much waste.
Trash doesn't disappear. It pollutes water and harms animals. Making new things uses trees, water, and energy. Buy more, throw more. This cycle hurts the earth. Please help me break the cycle.
Good news! You can help! Repair! Fix your toys so they last longer. Reuse! Turn old things into something new.
Before buying, ask yourself, do I really need this?
Choose only what you truly need. Reuse, share, and make things last longer. Fixing is better than throwing away.
Thank you for helping me.
Let's take care of our Earth, together.